Hi moms, this is Sonali and we are here today to announce the lucky winners of our contest. Remember, we've been running this for you, the Hungry Brain Starter Contest. This is your brain stimulation kit and there have been more than 145 responses. Thank you so much. But we have only 6 correct responses. I have Himali here, who is the founder of this amazing product. And she is going to talk to you about why those answers are correct and explain a little bit to you. So welcome, Himali.
Thanks.
So can you tell us about the first question that we asked? When does the baby develop a sense of understanding?
Hello moms. Babies develop the sense of understanding on the day 1 of the birth. Baby can understand that this is my mom, this is people whom I'm associated with. So those first touch with a mom,
right?
That's full of understanding.
So do you mean to say that my baby can actually recognize me, feel me, relate to me?
Absolutely.
Wow, that's amazing, isn't it?
9 months the baby is in the womb with the mother.
Okay.
And listening to the heartbeats, the sound, the talks,
right,
everything. So there's a lot of associations already built up.
There you go, moms. So what you need to know is that your baby recognizes you, understands you from day 1 of birth. Yeah. So be careful what you speak and do around your baby. Hey, so now my next question, Himali, to the mothers in this contest was, which is the first sense which develops? We know there are lots of senses, 5 senses that human beings have. Which is the first sense which a newborn develops?
That's smell.
Okay. And why is that?
So out of the 5 senses, the exposure that the baby gets for the smell and the sound is the maximum.
Okay.
But out of those 2, smell is extremely active.
Mm-hmm.
Baby can smell the food that mother's eating, the things around.
Amazing.
Things.
In the womb itself.
In the womb itself.
But you know, actually what I've also heard is that the sense of smell is very, very active because the baby needs to smell the breast milk, isn't it?
It is.
Right.
Rather, it is some other fact. Baby recognizes you, mother, on the day 1 of the birth by your smell.
Amazing. Okay, so there you have the answers and we're going to get Himali to do the honors and pick my 3 lucky winners. And you know what? Himali has been very sweet and she said that all the moms who participated are going to get some kind of a participation prize as well. So we're going to be sending you vouchers which you can use on the Hungry Brain portal. So right now, without wasting any more time, let's get those mums out. So our first lucky winner is
Sunita.
Sunita, we have your contact details. We will be in touch with you to have your prize delivered. Who's our next lucky winner?
Next lucky winner is Rupali.
So Rupali Kamli, we are going to be in touch with you really soon to deliver your prize. And then we have our third mom. Hamthan. So Hamthan is our youngest mommy. She's just pregnant. So she's going to get the best benefit out of this, right? So great. We have all your contact details, mom. We hope you had a good time. And do get in touch with Himali for any questions and information that you need about Hungry Brain. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.